It's textured foil. Oh my god. Oh my god. A mythic in retro frame. Alright. Oh, and directly a mythic with a planeswalker. Wow. It gets better and better. It's time for another collector booster display opening, this time with Magic the Gathering's newest edition, Modern Horizons 3. Hi, I'm Alice, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm a noob of the Magic the Gathering and Warhammer world, but I have a lot of fun with it and I would like to share this fun with you, so nice that you're here. One of my favorite things of Magic the Gathering is the artwork. That's why I'm so excited to find out which cards we are going to pull in this collector booster display. I already made a video about my favorite artworks. If you haven't seen that, you should definitely check it out, because it's not only showing the cards, but it also includes visual and audio effects, especially for the horror artwork cards. I am happy that it's crawling not directly towards me, because I think this would be even more creepy, so that's... I really hope to pull my two favorite cards, the Jet Medallion and the Psychic Frog, because I think they look so sick, so I would be really happy to pull these. Of course, besides serialized cards and all the other cards with special effects. But I would say, let's have a look. Here is our pack and it looks already fantastic. As I said, I am a noob. I haven't been around for the times when Modern Horizons 1 and 2 were published, so I don't might recognize the reprints, but let me know in the comments what memories you connect with Modern Horizons. Yes, I am one of those who use scissors because it's easier for me. I'm so excited. Okay. So excited to see them the first time. Oh, nice. Abiding Grace, also one of the artworks I showed in my video, because I really like the retro frame. Oh, Grim Servant, also in retro frame and foil. Nice. Thief of Existence, a rare in foil and a Eldrazi. Another rare inversion Behemoth, not in foil, but also an Eldrazi. Oh! Laelia the Blade Reforged, nice. A borderless profile, a rare, that's nice. Also like this profile. Oh, and directly a mythic with a planeswalker. Tamiyo, Inquisitive Student, so it's a double-sided card. Then you can turn it around and here you see the other side. Nice. And another mythic in foil and retro frame, Subtlety. Nice. That was a nice start. Also really like that I already pulled Tamiyo because I like her. But let's continue. Sorry. Galvanic Discharge. Ah, this is also a double-sided card. I will just turn it around so we don't see what's coming next. So this is the other side. So you can turn these around. Mountain, nice. And another retro frame, but not in foil. Oh, an Eldrazi drone. Also in retro frame and foil. Astrid's Invocation. Oh, I think this is a pretty valuable card. In foil, nice. And then Conversion Apparatus, another rare in extended artwork. Oh, and a Pearl Medallion, nice. Really love the artwork with this. This is the borderless frame break. Really love it. And another frame break, Primal Prayers, another rare. Also love the colors. Psychic Frog, yes, and it's in foil. Oh, that's a great pack already, or a display. Nice. Oh, really love this. Those of you who already saw other videos of me unboxing, maybe you recognized my reaction, because it's the same reaction to when I pulled loot. Here, one of my favorite creatures. Yeah, so that's so nice. No mythic this time, but whatever. It's the Psychic Frog and I'm so happy about it. And it's also in foil, come on. It. That looks nice. Yes, Glimpse the Impossible in foil. Also, this is one of the cards I think look so sick, so yeah. Tireless Provisioner in a retro frame. Jolted Awake, also in retro frame and foil. Windswept Heath in foil, that's nice. And I think also one of the fetched land cards who have higher value, so that's nice. Another rare Overclocked Electromancer. Dreamtide Whale, also rare in this extended artwork. Springheart Nantuko in borderless frame break. Nice. And a mythic Harrigast Erupting Nullkite. Nice, also in foil. Is this maybe etched foil? 3 mythics so far, and I think we are doing great. I don't know why I'm so nervous. It's so exciting. Oh, that looks also sick. Yeah, Horror Shadow Spinner. Disciple of Frailize, also you can turn it around, so we will do that, but I will do it like this. Nice. Swamp. Again here, Jolted Awake, but this time not in foil. Hard Evidence. Oh, I will put this here because it's a retro frame. Toxic Deluge, a rare in foil. Another rare selective obliteration. Nice. Another borderless profile from Off Pearl Ear. Cool. Ulamog the Defiler, a mythic in retro frame. Alright, that's nice. And Emerald Medallion in foil. Another rare. And the token. Whew! Come on, the Jet Medallion should be also somewhere. Okay. Love the foil cards. Again, hard evidence. Tune the narrative in foil and the retro frame. Another rare in foil, Springheart Nantuko. Oh, okay, I don't know why it's turned around. Okay, a foiled mythic, Kaith, famed mechanist, as also borderless profile. But I think it's also in the commander decks. Where should I put this? Okay, that's strange. Why was it turned around? Okay. Another rare, Emperor of Bones in extended artwork. Party Thresher also in a rare in extended artwork. And Endurance, it's textured foil. Oh my god. Oh my god. A mythic in textured foil. I think it's textured foil. Let me show you. Nice. Wow. It gets better and better. I know that there is also ripple foil, but it looks different. So Glasswing Grace, also a card. I have to turn it around so we can see the other side. Another Plains. Evolution Witness in a retro frame. And Munitions Expert in retro frame and in foil, a Goblin. Wrath of the Skies, a rare in foil. Oh, and a land in borderless, a Lazotep Quarry, another rare. Arc Way of Innovation, another land in borderless, nice. Okay, Wrath of the Skies again. Oh, and Fury in foil, another mythic in borderless. That's nice. What kind of fools, but it's not textured. We are halfway through and wow, these pulls are awesome. I can't believe it. We already had a textured foil and I don't know how many mythics, borderless. Wow, it's so much fun. Let's continue. What is your favorite card so far? Let me know in the comments. so sick. I really enjoyed the artwork. Another one you can turn around. Consuming Corruption in retro frame. Brain Search in foil and retro frame. I guess it's from Brainstorm. Ursa's Incubator in foil, a rare. I think this is also one of the higher valuable cards. Nice, that's a nice pull. And another profile, Satya, Mythic. I think they are also in the Commander deck, so not that valuable, I guess. Ripples of Undeath, a rare in extended artwork. And Mythic, Recruiter of the Guard in retro frame. I think it's also one of the cards that has higher value. Nice. And Strix Serenade. Frame Break, borderless frame break in foil. So lovely. Wow, it gets better and better. I don't know, the packs are a little bit tighter than usual, so maybe it's better to open them the other way, but well. That looks nice. Meltdown in retro frame, and again Evolution Witness in foil. A land, Arena of Glory, a rare in foil. Tamugoi Finessed, another rare in borderless. Kudo, the profile card, which I also discussed in my other video because I don't think this artwork fits to the character. As a king among bears, it's not so fitting, I guess. So, well, Wooded Foothills, oh, that's also so nice. In borderless, nice. Also one of the cards I really admire, because I think it looks so real. It could be a photo and it looks as if you're standing there. And Genku Future Shaper, a rare in foil. I'm trying to see if it's a special foil. I think it could be etched. All right. Accursed Marauder in retro frame, and Victimize also in retro frame and foil. Primal Prayers in foil, a rare. Aggressive Biomancy, borderless rare. And another borderless Disruptive Flute, rare. Null Drifter in retro and rare. And a White of the Reliquary, another rare in foil and extended artwork. I said borderless, right? I meant extended artwork, sorry. Three packs left. another one that you can turn around. It's the other side. And charitable levy in retro. And Sling Gang Lieutenant. I just had to think about how you pronounce that. In foil. A mythic Flashback Titan of Fire's Fury in foil. Nice. That's really nice. And another extended artwork, Sawhorn Nemesis, rare. Emerald Medallion again. And 6 Astrix Serenade also again. And here we have a borderless profile of Nadu Winged Wisdom in foil. 2 packs. Let's see if we will find the Jet Medallion. That would be nice. Urza's Cave. Oh, that looks also great. Marionette Apprentice in retro frame and Snow-Covered Wastes in foil. Nice. Here again we have Genku the Future Shaper. I think it's the same texture. Filigree Racer, another rare in extended artwork. And White of the Reliquary again. Endurance, a mythic in a retro frame. Where do I put it? Oh, Kalia of the Wasp in foil, a mythic in a borderless frame break. Sorry, there are so many different art styles. Nice! Legendary creature. Also, I think this artwork is really showing a powerful character. Really like this. Wow! Okay, so we can compare now these two cards, and I don't know if you can see it. They are both foil, but it's different foil. So you can really see it here. The edges, they are different. So this is etched foil and this is not. Final pack. Let's see what we got. Oh, this looks fun. Meltdown foil. And here the double-sided. I finally recognized that there is a land behind it. So Aether Spike in retro frame. And again, Tireless Provisioner in foil. Strix Serenade in foil, rare. Kai Famed Mechanist in a mythic in extended artwork, but it's also part of the commander deck, I think. Crabomination, a rare in extended artwork. Wheel of Potential, a rare in retro frame. Disruptor Flute again in extended artwork, but this time in foil. And that's it. Okay, we have 13 mythics, 1 in textured foil. Then I think we have also 2 in etched foil, 1 is a rare. And yeah, a lot of foils, retro frames, borderless, Tamiya's Planeswalker, frame breaks. So basically nearly everything that's possible. What are your thoughts about Modern Horizons 3 and the pulls I made? What is your favorite card? Let me know in the comments. I am so happy with these pulls, of course because of the textured foil, but also because of the Psychic Frog, because as I said in the beginning, I really wished to pull it, so yes. Mission accomplished. And I am going to scan the cards and you will already know if we made it. But I'm pretty sure we did because of the textured foil. So yes, that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. For example, me opening a play booster display. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.